Hey guys, Seth here with Summit Fishing. Gonna go over quickly on how to hook up your battery charger on the face of our shuttle to the battery so you can plug it in and charge it. Our first option, if you purchased an amp battery and have the charger, is super easy. You get basically a plug-in here that has piggyback connectors on it. You take it, you plug in the black to the black, red to red, take your plug-in that is attached to the shuttle, like so, and then you take our power for the unit and you stick it on red to red on the piggyback, like so, and the black to black on the piggyback, like so. So once you get all that connected, you come over here, press the power button, she's on. Here is what's going to power your USB. Here's your master switch, and you just go ahead, plug your charger in here. No, you don't have to worry about taking it apart or anything to charge your battery. It's simply just a plug-in. Option 2, if you don't have the amp piggyback connectors, you're going to get our shuttle. When you pull the faceplate off, this is already connected. It's going to come like so with this end connector. You're going to simply cut this off, strip the wires, and tie it in to the rest of the connectors. So let's see here. You're going to take it. You're going to need wire cutters and strippers for this. You're going to cut it just like that and get it apart. Pull it back a little bit. Then you're going to strip both sides enough that you could stick it into the connectors. Just like that. And once you get it stripped, twist it nice and tight. We'll do the same thing to the red one. Twist it, just like so. So to connect your battery charger, you're just going to pop out 2 of these black so you can tie them together. And we're just doing the 2 factory cords here. So now that you've stripped it back a little bit, twisted it together, you're going to take it, and it helps to twist it as you're putting it in, and you're going to push it as far in as you can get it. Push down on the clamp, give the tug test, and it's in. So now that you have the black space freed up, you're going to take the black wire from our charger that was already on the Summit shuttle, stick it into the open black spot, twist that wire, stick it in, clamp, tug, she's in. Then you're going to take the 1 green, 1 red connector. There's only 2 wires in it. That's how it comes from us. You're going to take the charger red that's already on our shuttle, stick it into the one of the 3 open slots. Let's get it twisted all the way in, tug it, it's in. So now, once you take your battery, hook it up, red to red, black to black. You've got everything. You've got power now to your master switch, your auxiliary switch, and you can plug in your charger to the shuttle without having to take the battery out and charge up your battery. So this concludes the video on hooking up your battery charger with or without the amped plug-in. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please reach out and we can get those answered for you. Thank you.